Hey guys. Today we're doing a dog to legendary challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, let's get into the video. So my goal is to get a legendary by the end of the video. Do you guys think we can do it? So the legendary that I want to get is, maybe an ox, because they're not hard to get and nobody wants them, but the main legendary that I want to get while doing this YouTube channel is my dream pet Mega Shadow Dragon and a Mega Axolotl. Let's start trading. Finally, a trade.
Slay! Slay!
Bruh.
Seriously.
Oh my god, bro.
Let's try again.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. Oh, la, la, la.
This is not supposed to happen in these videos. I'm so bad at trading a dog.
Wait.
Never bothered me anyway.
Honestly, I don't even know what to do anymore because I've traded everybody and they're all getting bikes and taking a forever to add things, so I think this is close to the end of this video because I am so bad at trading a freaking dog. Part 2 will be out very soon. Yeah, I am sorry for the disappointment. Like and subscribe, though. I'm definitely leaving this server. I hope y'all have a really good day or night.